friends, this is RC back again, and today I am going to tell you my experience of VTL to Singapore. It was very smooth experience. If you want to travel to Singapore through VTL, you can watch this video. This is Sukarno-Hatta Airport, Terminal 3. Now it's 6 a.m. in the morning. For vaccinated travel lane, VTL, there is only one flight which goes to Singapore via Singapore Airlines at 8:20 a.m. To check it into that flight, you need to be ready with your ART test report. It's not important to get PCR done. ART test report is also equally valid. And you can see there are very few people at the airport in the morning time. It is advised to be at the airport 3 hours earlier. During check-in, they are going to see your ART or PCR test report along with your vaccination status. If you are traveling through VTL, you have to be fully vaccinated. This is the duty and tax-free shopping at Terminal 3. There are not many visitors today, so not many people are shopping around. You can see the various discounts offered on various products. Most restaurants and airport lounges were closed due to COVID, but you can easily buy bottled water or coffee from the convenience store. In the flight, I have noticed that most people were not eating or drinking. They were not removing their masks. It's important to stay safe, but the food was provided in the disposable box. If you want, you can just take it along to eat it later. After reaching Singapore, it was very convenient. At the immigration, usual thumbprints were taken and they checked our vaccinated status, and they told us to stay in the hotel or at home until the PCR test report will come. After immigration, you are supposed to collect the baggage, and after that you can go for PCR test. It was very smoothly done, and within 15 minutes you are out of the airport. From airport, you are supposed to take the Grab. You are not allowed to take any of the public transport. After reaching home or in your hotel, stay in the hotel or at home until your test report will come. And our PCR test report came within 8 hours. And after that, we were free to go outside. When we reached Singapore, there was a rule to take the second and third ART test on third day and seventh day. But now there is a rule to have that test every day for 7 days. Now the latest rule is the Singapore government is not going to issue any VTL tickets. Those who already have the tickets, they can only enter Singapore. Enjoy your stay in Singapore, stay safe, wear mask. After your stay in Singapore, you'll go back to Jakarta or any other country. In Jakarta, you need to quarantine for 10 days in a hotel. So be prepared, guys. If you have any further information about the quarantine in Jakarta, please share in the comment box below.